everyone. So by the way, I'm right here in our peach tree. There's a lot of fruits already, little fruits. So today I was just listening to this music. I was comparing the music from the 70s and 80s compared to this generation. So the music this generation is kind of like so sad, like a lot of kids being suicidal and being depressed. And I believe it's like the value that we give to our kids. So as a parents, we really have to make sure that our kids know the values of life and to teach them about dignity, because the value and dignity is go hand in hand. So because if we don't teach them that, then when they get old, when they get an adult, they don't know the difference, what's the purpose of their life. If the life they just want to be building is they just want to make a mess, and if they just cannot handle it, that's the cause of depression, anxiety, and goes to suicidal. So I'm just so sad to see about this generation. So this is a sickening generation. So as a parents, we have to make sure that we teach our kids a value and dignity. So yun lang. God bless everyone.